student. How are you all? I welcome you to our English online class. Okay?
Today we are going to read about the sentence. See here children, sentence. See, sentence is a group of words which gives a complete meaning. मीन्स सेंटेंस ये होता है जो कि वर्ड्स का ग्रुप, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स मिलके एक सेंटेंस बनते हैं जिसका मीनिंग भी कंप्लीट रहता है. ओके, कंप्लीट मीनिंग देता है तो वो सेंटेंस होता है. A to Z. So children, first of all, before go to the sentence, we have to know how to make the words. And before that, we have to know how to make the words by using the letters. Okay, see here, letter A to Z. Letters are A to Z, children. See here, A to Z, how many letters are there? 26. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Okay, but when we use the words, when we make the words by using these letters or alphabets, so how to do? See here, one thing I will tell you. B, this is a letter O, again O. Okay, so these are four letters. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so these four letters or four alphabets are using to make the words because it gives us a complete meaning. इसका एक अर्थ निकलता है कि बुक मतलब पुस्तक होते हैं, बुक का मतलब पुस्तक होता है. सो ये एक मीनिंग दिया तो ये वर्ड हो गया. ओके, ऐसे ही बहुत सारी वर्ड्स मिलके एक सेंटेंस बनते हैं. ठीक है, जो कि कंप्लीट मीनिंग देते हैं, वही सेंटेंस कहलाते हैं. जैसे चिल्ड्रन, मैं अभी लिख दूंगी KOO. क्या है इसका मतलब? कुछ नहीं, ये सुनो. अभी मैं लिख दूंगी CAL. कुछ है क्या? मीन्स ये भी एक वर्ड से, लेकिन CAL, देर आर 3 letters. हाँ, बट इट इज़ नॉट गिविंग अ complete meaning, so it is not a word. Okay, if I will add CALLED, called, so it means बुलाए. Okay, called means बुलाए, so it became a complete word. Okay, it gives us complete meaning, so it is a word. Like this children, in the same way there are so many words. Okay, a group of words which gives a complete meaning. See, I have, HAVE, have a story book. Okay, see here, I have a story book. Okay children, so I have a story book. I, one alphabet, letter HAVE, have, there are 4 letters ASTORYBOO. Okay, there are so many letters. Okay, and there are so many words also, 1 2 3. Okay, so a group of words, बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स हो गए ना अभी वर्ड्स के. ओके, सो ये सबको हम जब मिलाते हैं और उसको एक तरीके से लिखते हैं. ओके, सो ये एक कंप्लीट मीनिंग देता है कि आई हैव अ स्टोरी बुक. अगर मैं बोल दूंगी यहाँ तो आप लोग पूरा यहाँ ढक दो. ठीक है, और यहाँ देखो आई हैव ए मीन्स व्हाट? हाँ, ये तो अधूरा रह गया ना. ओके, सो इट इज़ नॉट अ सेंटेंस. ओके चिल्ड्रन, बट आई हैव अ स्टोरी बुक और आई हैव ए बुक, आई हैव ए पेन, एनीथिंग आल्सो. हाँ, हम अगर उसको कंप्लीट करते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाता है? सेंटेंस. ओके, बिकॉज इट गिव्स अस कंप्लीट मीनिंग. Okay children, so now look at these groups of words and how they become sentence. So अभी देखो ये लोग कैसे, ये एक have हो गया, ये A हो गया, लेटर्स है, स्टोरी है, बुक है. इसको हम अगर इधर उधर कर देते हैं, है ना, तो उसको हम उसको तरीके से जब सजाते हैं और लिखते हैं तो it becomes a sentence. See children, in your book here group of words: play, like, cricket, to, and I. So these are the words: play, like, cricket, to, I. So these are the different types of words. Okay, so here says children 1 2 3 4 4 letters are there. Here also 4 letters. Here 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 letters are there. Here 2, and here 1 letters. Okay, so these are the words, but it is not arranged properly. Okay, when we arrange it properly, see here: I, like, to, play, cricket. So it gives us meaning. Can you understand this? I like to play cricket means मेरे को क्रिकेट खेलना अच्छा लगता है. So you can understand this meaning. आप समझ सकते हो इसका meaning. Okay, it gives us a complete meaning. So it is a sentence. Okay children, meaningful group of word sentences like this. See children here: goes, G-O-E-S, market, my. Mother, to. Can you tell me how to write? My mother goes to market. Okay, more things are there children here. More examples are there here. Raining, is it outside? It is raining outside. Not go today picnic. I will too. So today I will not go to picnic. Now name your is what? What is your name? Okay, so we have to arrange these words to make a proper sense, to give a meaningful thing. Okay, meaning. So children, these are called a sentence. Okay, now can you understand this? So now you see more sentences. Okay, we are doing that. Now take a look children here. Here, rearrange the following group of words to form a sentence. There are so many words are there, but it is not arranged. So you have to arrange. Okay children, you have to arrange these words. So here, number 1, our done duty have we. So we have to arrange this. So we have done our duty, full stop. Okay, we have done our duty, full stop. Now headache, yesterday had fever, and CA. There are so many words. Okay, so you have to arrange this. Yesterday she had a fever and headache. Okay, like this children. 2 I have done. Okay, and I have shown you. So like this you have to do more 3 numbers. Here I have given the questions. Your are choose this. So you have to write here answer. Has home gone see, and you car sold have your. Okay children, so you have to arrange this and make a sentence. Okay, in next class we are going to read about the 3 types of sentences: and affirmative sentences, interrogative sentence, and negative sentence. Okay children, so till the time you read the book, enjoy the book, and try to understand what is the meaning of sentence, how to make the words, and how to make the sentence. Okay children, goodbye.